and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor, inspiration and ideas and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look a lot more expensive than they actually are. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So in today's video, as you can see, I am in my entryway, and of course we are going to be doing some entryway decorating ideas, and I will be showing you guys how I transition my entryway from different looks, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Please, if you like videos like this, stay tuned and keep on watching.
That will come again.
So this is what the baseline of our entryway is. We have this starburst mirror and we have this beautiful and small entryway table. Both of them are from Ross. So we will be doing 5 entryway decorating ideas for our entryway today, and I will start by replacing the starburst mirror. The idea of this channel in general is just to inspire and give some decor inspiration to anybody that might need it. In my case, I will pick different items that work for me and my home, personalized items to me, things that make sense to me, things that speak to me. In your case, you just want to get the inspiration to kind of do something that works with your taste, okay? So remember to use books for different purposes, just to inspire with inspirational words like this one, and also you could use them to just encourage people to read as well, and you can also use them to elevate like I used it in this case. So I love these sculptures that look very imperfect. I love them because they bring some texture to the space and they add design to the space. One thing about bringing texture and design to your space is the uniqueness that comes with it. I love greens because they bring nature from outside to inside, and of course a candle for 2 purposes: scent and of course to warm up the space. So this is what our first decorating idea is going to look like. I hope you like it and I hope you get some inspiration from this first style, and I'm going to show you guys in just a minute how I will use this baseline style to transition to another decor idea. So let me know your thoughts about this first decorating idea, because of course I really like it. Details that come with organizing and redecorating your home is a plus to me.
Get some sleep if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day, it is waiting for us.
For our second home decor idea for today's video, I will be taking out the decor pieces on the right side and then replace them with some other pieces for inspiration in just a minute.
And it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
I decided to bring in this textured vase with some cherry blossom to add some design and character to the space. I also added a pop of greenery just to personalize the space and of course bring that nature from outside to inside. Candle holders are meant for candles, but it can also be used for just design and to add beauty and class to your space. And this is how I use the candle holders. In this case, I would love to know what you think about that transition from the first style to the second style. Let me know your thoughts and your impression about the difference between style number 1 and style number 2. So all of our decor ideas today are items that we've already have, including our candle holders, which you can see have been very much used with a lot of candle wax on the base. And I am proud to say that for the past 2 months, I have not shopped a thing for home decor, but I've been able to bring videos to you guys just showing you design ideas for your home. So just to let you know that you can actually just shop your home without buying new things every single day. So guys, let me know what you think about this design idea as we get ready for our third design idea. We've gotten everything out of the way. I am bringing in the same coffee table book that we had on the left. I'm bringing it to the middle and then using these beautiful candles that I've gotten all of them from Ross, and I am elevating the one on the back just to add that difference in height, so it creates that amazing visual effect. And also bringing in our same beads that we've been using with the golden accent on it. Now these beautiful vases are from Inspire Me Home Decor, an Instagram store, and it's a very popular one in the glam decor space. But then I will light up the candle and then you're gonna see how beautiful this setup looks. I would love to know how what you think about this transition, because I definitely love style number 3. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this style. It looks very simple but really elegant. Let me know your thoughts about style number 3. I just want to use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really do appreciate you. And if you're still watching, do me a favor and comment Entryway down below. I would love to see it. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video up to this point. It really warms my heart, and I hope you are here to stay. Do not forget to subscribe, and of course, click on the notification bell so you would always be the first to know every time I upload videos like this. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I heart you so very much. Thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. Your support is definitely always seen. And if you're not subscribed, just subscribe and of course join the family. Now, I just want to talk a little bit about these vases. I got these vases from Designed by the Boss by Styled by Miss Linda. She's an amazing interior decorator like myself, and she did well, you know, just trying to put together the design of the pieces that are on her website. So guys, please support your girl. She is doing amazing, and I will link it down below because the quality of these vases are definitely out of this world. So guys, stay tuned as we get ready for this food style, because I think this is about to be my favorite. I am obsessed with the simplicity and style of style number 4. And last but not least, I will just bring in this decorative book stand and display our favorite book, which you all know, Elements of Style from Amazon. It has all the colors that I need and amazing decor ideas. And I just opened to an inspirational page, something that would inspire me to design and decorate my space every time I look at that page. So I just opened that and of course just set it up and bring in our decorative beads and just place on it. Again, the same beads, like you all know, we've been using that throughout this video. And I'm just adding a candle for warmth and scent in this space right now and lighten up until we get an exact look at what we are going for. Please let me know what you think about style number 5. Very simple but elegant. I would love to know which of the styles is your favorite of all, because I am definitely leaving for style number 3 and probably style number 4. So guys, let me know your thoughts and what you think about these 5 different decorating ideas for our entryway. I would love to know, and I would love to get any tips that you have for us decorating a small entryway table like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in our next video. Love you all. Bye.